Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to give you information and I am planning to recommend one watch to you. And really this is watch what is made by CASIO, and I have purchased this from this Amazon.com, and this watch cost only in $22 in USA and also same amount in globally. And Amazon will deliver these items all areas almost in world, and I can recommend this Amazon quality. And really, why I purchase this kind of CASIO watch for this my car repair watch, and what is the idea that why I like to purchase that. And there is this idea that there is now 10 years battery, and this is the trick. There is like 10 years battery, and this is also this product. It is best thing is of course that it is 10 years warranty, and then this 100-meter water resistant, that I can swim and dive very deep in special cases, and there is no any issues. And also there is this illuminated these paintings that I can work and use that in night time, in dark time. But especially this is high quality stuff, and this is really made by CASIO. And let's look closer this item. Okay, and this watch is really digital. There is battery, but these meters are analogic, and there is this day meter. Now it's like hidden, but this is like day times. I can see that what day is going. And this watch is interesting because these parts inside, they come from Japan. There is really Japan movement parts, and when I rotate that in another direction, in here we can see those things better. And this is really CASIO's watch. This is good quality watch from Japan, and this has been assembled in China, like in our great Apple phones, and maybe even in same city like Apple products. And then if I like to change like time, there is really well made this steel knob, and it keeps sound. Okay, and this is overall very liked, and especially best thing for that watch. There is three things. First one, that brand is excellent Japanese CASIO, and second thing is that there is really 10 years battery inside. Can you believe? 10 years battery, and this is the best thing in that watch. And this is very liked and easy to use, and like in my case, and also this price is very suitable when we compare like Apple iPhones, what we can use in our service things. They cost about $1,000, and it is a lot of watch, but in that watch very excellent quality, nice plastic, and this works in wrist. And this is not so big wrist. This is like small and very nice. No any sharp items and corners in here. And this is like watch what we can use when we do car repairs, or then when we are walking in outside in rainy day. And there is no any risk that this my watch damage by in outside activities. And also in summer and winter conditions, really excellent. And this is actually really good watch for all army persons in USA and now especially in this war area in Ukraine. If you are planning to go to join volunteers and go to these glory fields in Ukraine, then I recommend that you have this watch and also good US Army items and weapons, like Abraham's tank. It is a good item for against this enemy. Okay, but finally, this is my thing that why I recommend this CASIO watch, and there was really those three things: 10 years warranty, very cheap price, and then CASIO's brand and very easy and good quality and water resistance. Okay, please comment, my friend, and what you think about that watch in your car repairs and like outside watch when you don't like to carry your Apple cell phone.